Hello, hello. I'm at the cottage today to show you something cool I found at the Aurelia Square No Frills. Bam! Reese's Chocolate Lava Big Cup. Yeah, they were selling these for a few cents a pop. Ooh, so this is basically chocolate, peanut butter, and lava chocolate. Mmm, lava chocolate. Ah, that's how the song goes, right? Not a whole plate of about 5 of them, but let's see how it tastes. Alright, Reese's traditional big cup. Open up, there's a crease. Ooh. Ooh. Nope. That's lava chocolate there. Gooiness on top of the classic chocolate peanut butter taste. Mmm, that's pretty good. I like it. That's neat. Nice. Well, that's one way to get lost in a Reese's.